Welcome to Service Bulletin number 1 for the UV20. There's been a number of installations where the quartz sleeve has been installed incorrectly on a slight angle, which has allowed water to get past the O-ring and damage the electronics. You can see here the correct procedure for the installation of the quartz sleeve and the UV lamp. If you don't have one of these yellow stickers on your unit, please contact BWT and we'll post one out to you. Before we handle the quartz sleeve and the UV lamp, I've put on some rubber gloves. This is really important so you don't get any of the oil from your skin on the UV lamp and potentially shorten the lamp's life. Then we're going to slide the quartz sleeve into the stainless steel vessel. At the base of the stainless steel vessel are some holding lugs. It's absolutely essential, you can see in this diagram, that the quartz sleeve slides into those holding lugs. We have had a couple of circumstances where people have missed the location lugs and the sleeve's been installed off to one side. So here we've got the quartz sleeve. We'll pop that sneaky spring in there. Then what we do is we very gently slide the quartz sleeve in. I normally just use 2 fingers, nice and gentle. If you feel the lamp stop and then you could push it down slightly with your finger, we know that the sleeve has gone into the locating lugs or the holding lugs. If, for example, it actually goes off onto the side by a little bit, you'll hear the sleeve touch the bottom. So we just try it again, do it again to relocate it. Now we've done the right thing, it's in the locating lugs. Now we just push it down slightly with our finger. Next, we grab the O-ring, pop that over the quartz sleeve. Then we're going to get the locking lug and then screw this on. If there's any resistance at all when you do this, please take the sleeve out and try and relocate it in the lugs. This should be nice and smooth when you screw it down. Now we're going to grab the UV lamp. And the lamp should slide straight in. If there's any resistance for the lamp to pop in at all, then the sleeve is not located correctly in the lugs. And to make sure this is the case, if we drop the lamp, you'll see it bounce. To be 100% certain the system's installed correctly, let's just check a couple of things again. Once you've got the quartz sleeve installed and you've slid the UV lamp in there, the UV lamp will sit almost flush with this ring piece here. And when you touch the lamp, you'll be able to make it bounce. Now we're going to connect the electronics to the top of the UV lamp. Please note that these female lugs are keyed, so you can really only put the lamp on one way. To get the lamp out of the locking lug, I normally just place my finger here, tap the UV lamp, grab it with your finger. Now we've got a great spot to pop the lamp in, and we can see there it didn't go at first, so now we know it's located correctly. Now we drop the lamp back into place and then hold the bottom and twist it so it's locked. Then you're ready to turn the power on.